We are in the Panasonic booth here at NAB talking about what's hot. What's hot? Very simple. 4K, HDR, VariCam, P2 Cast. I want to check it all out. Come on, follow me. So it's clear what is hot here at Panasonic: 4K, HDR, P2 Cast, and production and studio cameras. And I've got Steve Cooperman here with me. Steve, what's going on, man?
Hey, good morning. Well, first of all, we're very excited to have our brand new VariCam LT. We launched it in February in Hollywood and just started shipping them last month. And we have it here. It's a native 4K camera, shares the same Super 35mm sensor as the VariCam 35, all of the same high quality imaging characteristics such as our dual ISO 800/5000 technology. The VariCam 35 and the VariCam LT also shoot in not only 4K, but 2K in HD. And so what this allows you to do is today shoot high quality 4K, even if you're delivering HD. But the key point there is that when you shoot an AVC Ultra 4K, you have this content for future versions. Let's say 2 years down the road, you're gonna get syndicated video on demand, and they request a 4K copy. Well, you've already got 4K. This year, we've just introduced the brand new 8K UC3000 4K studio camera, as well as the complementary 8K HC5000 studio camera. And one of the key points about utilizing a 4K studio camera in the field is the ability to use 2/3 inch zoom lenses that are commonly used in sports type environments.
One more Panasonic camera that we want to highlight here at NAB is the DVX200. This allows you to get that great cinematic quality from a handheld 4K camcorder with 4/3 sensor and an integrated zoom lens. All right, so this is P2 Cast, which is a cloud-based news production workflow.
This year, for the first time, we are able to utilize P2 Cast to really bring the newsroom to the field. Literally, it connects the newsroom computer systems, allowing the metadata from those systems to go to the camera, which helps to pull back the high-resolution assets back to the newsroom. So it's finally the complete circle.
We're hanging out here in front of a bunch of PTZs. We are used to seeing these in the classroom, but clearly they've got a huge impact on production as well. What's up with that?
Well, that's a great point. For years, Panasonic has been a leading provider of integrated pan-tilt zooms for schools, for colleges, for government. But the quality of our cameras has increased so much that now you're starting to see PTZs being used much more, such as in reality television, sports production, news production, weather cams, things of that nature. All of our PTZs now have IP streaming outputs, so you could stream across networks. Now with our partnership, we're working with Wowza, so they don't have to worry about all of the production hurdles of streaming across corporate networks, college networks, things of that nature.
So for cinema, broadcast, for 4K, for HDR, streaming capabilities, cloud-based workflow, it is all Panasonic. It's hot, and it is here at NAB.
Panasonic.